In this video, I will show you how to count cells that end with specific text in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here, in this Excel sheet, I have some food items. Now, I want to count the food items that end with on text. We can use the Excel COUNTIF function to do that. The COUNTIF function counts the number of cells that match the specified criteria. We need to specify the range of the cells as the first argument and match criteria as the second argument. So let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Now type COUNTIF followed by an opening bracket. Select all the cells containing food items as the first range argument. To count the cells that end with a specific text, we need to use the asterisk wildcard character in the criteria. The asterisk character matches 0 or more characters of any kind. For example, star on matches with apron, cannon, union, mason, and so on, but does not match with convo, donut, ronin, or onset. So let's type star on in the double quotes as the second criteria argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have the count of cells that ends with the text on. The COUNTIF formula we used is not case sensitive. That means it works for both lowercase and uppercase letters. For example, in this Excel sheet, some of the cells are in lowercase, some are in uppercase, and the rest are in the camel case or mixed case. However, the formula still works as expected. We can also use the SUMPRODUCT function to count the cells that end with specific text. Here is the formula to do that. The write function takes the last two characters from all the cells and returns them in the form of an array. The array elements are then compared with the text on, which will return an array of 5 elements containing true, false, and true. The true value is returned for the cells that end with the text on, and false value is returned for the cells that do not. For the SUMPRODUCT function to work, we need to convert these true and false values to 1 and 0 respectively. We did that by applying the double negative minus minus. The result of that is an array containing 5 elements 1, 0, 1, 0 and 1. Finally, the SUMPRODUCT function sums them up and the final result is 3. Just like the COUNTIF formula we used earlier, this formula is also not case sensitive. For example, in this Excel sheet, the data is in upper, lower and camel cases, but the SUMPRODUCT formula still works fine. However, one advantage of the SUMPRODUCT formula over the COUNTIF formula is that we can make the SUMPRODUCT formula case sensitive. To do that, we can use the Excel exit function. The exit function compares two strings and returns true if and only if they are exactly the same, including their case. Let's modify the formula to make it case sensitive by using the exit function instead of comparing array elements with the on text. As you can see, now this formula gives the count of cells that end with the specific text by also matching the case of the cell contents. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.